This video I'll be walking you through setting time on the Casio G9000 watch, which is also called as Mudman. First of all, when you are on the main display screen, you need to press and hold the adjust button, and once you do that, the seconds starts flashing, and here you have the option to set it to 0 by pressing the start or stop button. So once you do that, and if it's past 30 seconds, it will advance to the next minute like how it did now, else it will just zero it. So if you are good with it, you can now press the mode button again, and here you have the option to select daylight saving on or off. So you can press it by turning it off on in the actual readout, and if you want to turn it back on, you can do so with the start or stop button, and press the mode button again to select how far you are off from the UTC. So in my case it is -5 hours, and you can reduce it by pressing the start stop button incrementally. You can press and hold also, in that case it will go faster, and this reset or split button can help you to increase or advance. It's a bit hard to press since it's a Mudman, and once you're done with it, you can press the mode button again, and now you have the option to manually change the hours. So it's the same thing. Press reset or split to go back, start or stop to go forward. In the earlier case, when we are doing for UTC, I had pressed this reset or split and it went up. Actually it is going down, but since it was in negative, it was showing like that. So in this case you can see it advance and go backward. Now I am happy with it and I move on to the minutes. So it's the same thing. Press this one to go back and press the start stop to advance. Once you're happy with it, you can move on to the years, and it's the same drill. And if you're good with it, you can move on to the month by pressing the mode button, and again it's the same drill. And you can do the same with the date and press the mode again. You will be back to the second screen. So this is how you would set the time manually, and also how far off you're away from the UTC time respectively. So it's pretty easy to make changes on this watch, except for the fact that the buttons are made difficult to press because it's a Mudman and it is supposed to resist mud, and you need to put extra pressure to press on each one of these buttons. And once you are happy in changing those settings, you need to press the adjust button to make sure that it finalizes. And as you can see, it doesn't flash anymore and brings you back to the main screen with everything shown, the date, month, and all the other things. And if you want to change and see the different time, meaning the time in the normal format instead of the railway time, you should press the start or stop button and it will show you. And again, if you press it, it will bring you back.